Hello everyone, it's Matt from CAD Global. Today you will learn how to import Industry Foundation Classes, IFC file used by Building Information Modeling, BIM programs, into progeCAD, SketchUp, and AutoCAD. The simple BIM model we are importing today is a drafting view 3D view of a house. IFC files are the current standard for exchanging models between all BIM programs, such as Autodesk Revit, Graphisoft AutoCAD, BricsCAD BIM, Archline DXP, and Arcadia BIM. As drawing in BIM programs is an inevitable future, supporting IFC is a big advantage for CAD software. First, we will import this BIM model into DWG CAD software using progeCAD 2025 2D 3D Professional, the best AutoCAD alternative. progeCAD 2025 comes with free BIM importer for Autodesk Revit and free IFC to DWG converter, taking up a total of 1 minute to convert RVT to DWG or IFC to DWG. progeCAD offers the option to import or attach an IFC into your DWG as an underlay or as part of the DWG. With the import option, the IFC is converted into a model that can be edited in progeCAD after importing, but with the attach option, the model cannot be edited after importing. You can find the import option by clicking on the progeCAD icon, then selecting import and choosing the IFC format. The attach option can be found in the add-on tab, BIM attach. If you do not want to edit the IFC and only want it as a reference model, definitely choose the attach option. Let's check progeCAD prices now. How much can you save with progeCAD 2025 Professional Perpetual licenses? Let's check our AutoCAD savings calculator. If you need 5 licenses and you use it for 5 years, you'll pay €1950 for progeCAD compared to €49,750 for AutoCAD 3D 2025. That's whopping 95% discount. In SketchUp 3D Pro, only the BIM import option is available, and the process is very similar to progeCAD. Time to import can vary based on the file size and its complexity. After opening SketchUp, click on File, Import, select the IFC format and your model. If you have SketchUp Studio subscription, then you can use free Revit to SketchUp Importer for Windows to convert RVT to SketchUp. Just like in progeCAD, you can use free Revit to DWG converter. Now let's see how to import an IFC file in AutoCAD 3D, because AutoCAD LT has only 2D and can't import IFC. The question is actually whether it is even possible to import BIM and Revit files in AutoCAD, and which Autodesk program can import IFC. IFC import command works only in Autodesk Civil 3D, Architecture, and MEP, but they don't allow us to use this feature in the demo versions. Although AutoCAD, including specialized toolsets, comes with AutoCAD Architecture and AutoCAD MEP, which can open IFC, there is outdated information that AutoCAD Architecture and AutoCAD MEP can do it, but in AutoCAD LT and regular AutoCAD, unfortunately, we cannot import the IFC format. Only after installing additional add-ons or other Autodesk programs does AutoCAD gain the ability to import the IFC format. For more videos like this, hit the like button. If you have any questions about Perpetual CAD licenses, comment below or email us. Thank you for watching.